when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
No, this ain't broken. They just sitting here for a whole year. Turn it over.
What is it you want, Barry? What do you want? You want the moon? Just say the word and I'll throw a lasso around it and pull it down. Hey, that's a pretty good idea. I'll give you the moon, Barry.
I'll take it. Then what?
But then you could swallow it, and it all dissolves.
Keep going. Okay. Actually, no. Okay.
If my family can't accept zombies, maybe I don't want to be a superhero.
For brown sugar. It's mocha. Okay, I'm about to die. Lately put the wrong ones in there.
I thought you said put these ones in there.
Those are not spaghetti. Spaghetti.
Okay, so what's this?
Fettuccine. Don't worry about it. Just leave it. Just leave it. Put the spaghetti in there.
Oopsie. Oopsie. Can't that just go back in here?
No, just leave it. Oh, you talking about those that fell out? Yeah, put them in there.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. Yeah, you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah.